Hello everyone and welcome to a series of lectures on quantitative methods. I am Dr. Suchitra Shrivastava, Professor in the Department of Management in the SAGE Group of Institutions. Today we will be talking about regression analysis. Now, regression is a statistical technique that relates a dependent variable to one or more independent variables. Now, the dependent variable is also known as the effect variable, and the independent variable is also known as the cause variables. Now, basically a regression model is nothing but a mathematical equation that relates the independent variable and the dependent variable. Let us understand that a regression model is able to show whether changes observed in the dependent variable are associated with changes in the independent variable or variables. Now, and we have one independent variable in case of a simple regression model. In case of a multiple regression model, we have several independent variables. Now, it does this essentially by determining a best fit line and seeing how the data is dispersed around this line. That is, we find the regression equation, which is the equation of a straight line in case of a simple linear regression, and we find out how this line fits or how it is able to predict the value of the dependent variable or a given value of the independent variable. Now please note, a simple linear regression uses one independent variable to explain or predict the outcome or the dependent variable. Now, in statistical analysis, regression is used to identify associations between variables that occur in the data. It is a powerful tool for statistical inference and has been used to predict future outcomes based on the past observations. It can show the magnitude of such an association and determine its statistical significance. Now please understand, a simple regression model can be expressed in the form of an equation y as a function of x. Now here y is known as the dependent variable and x is known as the independent variable. Now simple linear regression model is nothing but the equation of a straight line. Please understand, the syllabus specifies only simple linear regression, and so that is what we will be considering. Now prior to regression analysis, we have done the correlation analysis, which also considers two variables. So it becomes important to understand what is the difference between correlation and regression analysis. Now please see, correlation analysis measures the strength and direction of the linear relationship. मतलब कितना relationship है और क्या उसका magnitude है. On the other hand, regression analysis is used to predict the value of a dependent variable based on the value of an independent variable. Now, correlation does not imply causation. मतलब यहाँ पे cause और effect relationship नहीं establish होती है, जबकि regression analysis में ये cause और effect relationship ज़रूर establish होती है. Now moving the discussion forward, in correlation both the independent and the dependent values have no difference. मतलब यहाँ पे कोई डिस्टिंक्शन नहीं किया जाता है इंडिपेंडेंट और डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल में, जबकि रिग्रेशन एनालिसिस में ये बहुत डिस्टिंक्टली हम बताते हैं कि कौन सा वेरिएबल हमारा इंडिपेंडेंट है और कौन सा वेरिएबल हमारा डिपेंडेंट है. अब फोर्थ डिफरेंस, जो आउटपुट मिलता है हमको कोरिलेशन एनालिसिस से, वो होता है आपका स्मॉल r या कैपिटल R। स्मॉल r यानी कार्ल पियर्सन्स कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ कोरिलेशन या कैपिटल R जो कि स्पीयरमैन्स कोरिलेशन ऑफ कोएफिशिएंट है। उससे हम मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप और डायरेक्शन ऑफ रिलेशनशिप निकाल पाते हैं। इसी तरह से जब हम रिग्रेशन एनालिसिस की बात करते हैं, द आउटपुट ऑफ द रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन इज अ regression model or a regression equation. Now, this equation is in the form of y depending on x or x depending on y. With this, I hope that the basic concept of regression analysis has been clarified. We will be talking about more in the coming lectures. Thank you, students, for your attention and time.